Yo, this is how you make kimchi quesadilla. Ooh! First, grab your kimchi and squeeze out the kimchi juice. Couple pieces of bacon in medium-high heat. Yo, chill! Chop them up to small bite size. Now cook your kimchi on that bacon fat. Ooh! Little bit of sesame oil. Yo, it should be good enough that you could just throw these on top of your rice. Alright, start back with a fresh pan and some butter. Alright, now throw in your tortilla. Check if it's lightly brown. Boom. Alright, spread your cheese evenly across. You feel like it's half melted, throw in your kimchi on the other half of the side. Now fold it in half. Wait for the cheese to melt on one of the sides. Then boom, just like that. Eesh. Now throw it on your cutting board. Shout out to Del Strong. Boom, boom. And that's how you make kimchi quesadilla.
Do you like cannoli? Let me show you how we do it in Italy. Ingredients. Sicilian cannolis are worth the time to make. Ricotta is the main ingredient, and it's important to drain it in a cheesecloth, sometimes overnight. Go easy on the sugar, using about 1/4 of the ricotta quantity. You want to taste the ricotta. I add a pinch of vanilla powder and throw in some chocolate chips for extra flair. I prefer dark chocolate. Then refrigerate for at least an hour. To keep the shell crunchy, fill them just before serving. Then add the classic toppings, chocolate, cocktail cherries, and pistachios. Just gorgeous.
So we all know mashed potatoes, but how many of us know about smashed potatoes? I love them so much. Now let's go! Just release them into some salted boiling water. Okay, so after 20-25 minutes, strain. Now just a little olive oil. Rosemary salt, if you know, you know. Oh, try that again, fresh ground black pepper, and just a nice little toss. A little olive oil, put a potato in, and you can smash it with literally anything. Do me a favor, double tap my forehead right here. Ow, too hard, gentle. Straight into the bottom rack of a 400-degree oven. 20 minutes, I'm gonna flip them all over. Now add about 3 tablespoons unsalted butter and a whole bunch of smashed garlic. Now return to the oven. Another 20 minutes and they're done. Little truffle salt. You should really try these with my garlic mayo. Incredible. You know I love you, animal.
Happy Sunday. What y'all eat for Sunday dinner? You want to see what I'm having? Let me show you. I sauteed some kale with a little bit of shredded carrot. Made some vegan mac and cheese. Because I love greens and it's my business, I added me some garlic string beans on here as well. Or as some folk call it, green beans. Of course, I had to have my yam. That's just a half a yam. And today is splurge day, so I fried me some oyster mushrooms like fried chicken. But it ain't. Just mushrooms. What are we missing? Ooh, I know. Hold your mule. Gotta have some fresh tomatoes with my greens. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Let me get a little pinch of salt and pepper, Jesus. Like so, like that. Ooh, Lord have mercy. And I had to add a little hot sauce to my fried oyster mushrooms. Ooh, baby, we ready to eat now. Did you get into it, baby? Would you say it don't look vegan? Well, honey, it is. Every piece of it. But my God, my God. It's gonna be so good. Oh God, we thank you. Amen.
Today we start with cutting some strawberries, make something delicious. And there's a special way to cut grapes so fast. Put a plate on top, just one cut. Hello. Today we make this fancy yogurt treat. Of course, Oreo first. Then we need some yogurt and a spatula. Then some wax paper, lay on the bottom of the pan, scoop yogurt in the pan. Now it's time to put some strawberries on, bananas, and blueberries. And the Oreos on top, and the Lucky Charms. Then put the whole thing in the freezer for 3 hours. When they are ready, put a cutting board on top and then flip. Cut into little squares. You can have it as a snack or breakfast. Look at that, my kids ate this for breakfast.
It's lunchtime today. I'm making the whole shebang Cajun shrimp. I love Cajun spice because it's so flavorful. And if you love garlic, this is a perfect recipe. You can boil shrimp, corn, sausage, whatever you want. And for the sauce, you use garlic, butter, and Obe sauce. Mix them together, and that's it. Hope you guys liked it.
Today I'm going to show you how to make 3-ingredient ice cream from home with science. You're going to need 3 different sizes of Ziploc bags. To the smallest bag, add 1 cup of milk. Full fat milk makes it creamier. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then as much vanilla as you desire. I like a lot. Be sure to seal up the bag really tight, and then you're going to place that small bag into the medium-sized bag. Remove all the air and close. To the largest bag, add ice, about halfway full, and then you're going to add 1/4 cup of salt. Now you're going to add your other bags to the bigger bag of ice, seal really tight, and then begin shaking. The salt added lowers the melting point of the ice, and the ice absorbs the heat from its surroundings like the ice cream bag, allowing the cream to freeze into ice cream. After taking out the bags, I scooped some into a bowl and added some sprinkles. And of course, you can't forget the cherry on top. Enjoy, you guys!